Meow Wolf's Omega Mart in Las Vegas, Nevada. Let's go! Located in Area 15 in Las Vegas, the Omega Mart was opened on February 18, 2021. This is Meow Wolf's second art installation. Area 15 is not part of Meow Wolf. The entrance to the store is just right inside the Area 15 building. Upon first inspection, the Omega Mart just looks like an ordinary store, but as you go down the aisles you will start to notice that things aren't as ordinary as they may seem. From meow cat food and wolf dog food to singing bell peppers. This place has it all. Mammoth Chunks, anyone? Anyone for some metal melting cleaning products? Oh, cool. Spray butter. Wait. What do you mean it's not butter? Feeling thirsty? How about some refreshing, dehydrated water? This place is a trip, and we haven't even made it through the store. Tattooed chicken for dinner? Or how about some lunch meat? The aisles start to blur, as if you were almost time traveling. You open the refrigerator door to grab a soda, and see that it is an entrance, so what do? Well, go in. Of course. On the other side of the refrigerator is a whole nother world. This place is huge, with art everywhere. Everywhere you look there is something unique, and you really need to stop and take a second to let your brain process what you are looking at. You're not just looking at individual pieces of art, they're doors that lead to whole rooms that are exhibits. While going through the different areas, I suggest taking advantage of the multiple seating that they have available, as this art sometimes changes right in front of you. A lot of the art in here is interactive, and they encourage you to touch, explore, and open doors to other worlds.
What happens when you go back home?
Resources. Here for all workplace human needs. I was built by Moth Milk to replace a real human.
Yeah.
Discover secret portals, play, and explore among unexpected landscapes, or simply soak up the innovative art. This was a really neat adventure, and I would recommend this to anyone that wants to do something out of the ordinary and you happen to be in the Vegas area. Well, that is it for this video. We hope that you enjoyed it, and if you made it this far, please subscribe. It is free for you and really helps this channel.